Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can add effects and adjustments to one layer only without affecting the other one. So for example, here I have two images and I want to adjust the saturation of only this layer. If I do it the normal way and go to adjustments and try to adjust the color right here, it starts affecting both layers or all the layers below the effects layer. So what you do is, since I just want to affect this layer, I'm going to shift my adjustment layer right here, and I'm going to press Alt on my keyboard. And when I press that and I take my mouse in between the layer and the adjustment panel, I see this arrow button. So all I have to do is just click on it and it will attach itself to this layer only. So now when I make any adjustment, it will only affect this particular layer. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.